What's up guys, welcome back to Shifting Lanes and welcome to a very different video. We are going to be driving the M3 today for the first time down a very, very cool back road. One of our favorite places in the area. We film back here all the time and it is a beautiful, beautiful backcountry road. So I have my newly road legal here in New Jersey M3. I'm only going to tell you what this car is in case you're new to the channel and don't know it. This is a 2011 E90 M3 with an ESS 625 supercharger on it. It's sitting on KW sleeves, it's lowered, and it has just a whole bunch of stuff done to it. The previous owner basically did it. I am here just to own it and bring you cool videos on it. No exhaust yet. We're going to rectify that hopefully next year, and we are going to go down this back road and just do a really nice POV run. So let's hop in and let's get going. As you can see, whole interior is finished in carbon fiber, and hopefully my sunglasses don't go crazy on this ride. Now as we get going here, I'm going to sort of talk you through everything that we're doing, and then I might shut up for a little bit so you guys can just enjoy the ride. This is really my first time sort of going after it with this car, so I'm really excited. Let's turn up the transmission, set it to manual, and let's hit it. Now we're on public roads, obviously we're not going to go too crazy. Within the limits, obviously. This thing is just set up so nicely. It feels amazing. It is so flat in the corners. M3s on the whole are set up like incredible sports cars, obviously, but this thing with the KWs and the supercharger kit, just perfect. And this engine, oh my god, the S65 engine sounds amazing. It will sound better with an exhaust, that's for sure. Brakes are incredible. Pardon the noise from everything shifting next to me. Man, that is a fun road, and it's still going. I think we may have to turn around and do this one again. Obviously shifting mid-corner, not the greatest thing to do, but we're not going that fast. It's just a super fun road to tackle. Oh man, gripping it and ripping it for the first time in this car. Wow. It handles so flat, guys, it's unbelievable. I cannot believe how flat it really is. Now I come from a place where it's super WRX, it has a lot of body roll. That was my old car. I own a Volvo V70R. If you know anything about those cars, they both have a tremendous amount of body roll, and it's just a lot of car to like throw around for those suspensions. So what you have to do is you have to put anti-roll bars in there and really kind of stiffen up the ride to make it ride a lot more level in the corners. This car with the KWs, you really do not have to do that. All you have to do is just plant your foot and go. This thing is set up so beautifully. I do think it needs to be raised another half an inch to an inch to get a little bit better of ride quality, but honestly, it's it is damn near perfect. You know what, we are going to turn around because that needs to be done again. Before we get back on that road, honestly, this car is just, it really is just a joy to drive. There's not a ton that's really wrong with it. I mean, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I just had it inspected and gone over by basically one of the top shops here in New Jersey, Auto Couture Motoring up in Fairlawn, and it has a clean bill of health. This car is in fantastic shape. You can see down there, I'm not sure if you can see, but 78,545 miles. I've only put about 1,000 miles on this car since I got it, but even in that year and 1,000 miles of ownership, I've had, you know, a lot of really good experiences with it, and it is just phenomenal to drive on every single occasion. I don't think you guys can see much of anything. We got too much glare. Let's go all the way back and let's turn around, because I don't think you guys are going to be able to see really anything here. That's not great. All right, we're in the shadows a bit more now, and we can kind of grip it and rip it. Oh, it's so rewarding to drive this thing finally on a back road that it deserves. I'm just cycling gears because I can now. It's just too much fun. Oh God, what an amazing car. Man, beautiful. What a beautiful, fantastic car this is. Am I angry that I got the DCT over the manual? Not really. I have a manual car. I've driven a bunch of manual cars, daily driven them over the years. I don't think that, you know, I don't think that having a manual in this car would make it any more or less special to me. I think the car itself is very, very cool, and it's just so much fun to drive. And yeah, honestly, like I wouldn't change this car at all. From a mechanical standpoint, maybe just raise the suspension. That's it. I think it's still a little bit low for me, but that's really it. This thing is so good. This car is just so happy in these big sweepers. It's so comfortable and so at home here. It honestly feels like you're driving a much more expensive car as far as ride quality and handling capabilities are concerned. And punching it coming out of the turns. Oh, the Supercharger just throws you back into your seat. It's such an amazing experience. So that's my first back road blast in this car, one of many that will happen. I live in northern New Jersey. Do you guys know of any other great back roads around here? I want to hear about them. Tell me where I should go. Tell me where you guys want to see POV drives, and I will go there and I will take you along on the journey with me on these amazing roads. that'll do it for this video. If you want to follow us on Instagram or Facebook or anywhere, it is at Shifting Lanes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you like this video or any video that we do. We do new car reviews, we do car adventures, we do drives, and we do project cars. So if you like any of that stuff, subscribe, follow us, and stay tuned for plenty more to come, because we got a lot to do in 2021 once COVID goes away and we can actually do some stuff. So get rid of 2020, get rid of COVID, and then it's going to be full steam ahead with all sorts of fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. See ya.